We're at a critical point in our battle against COVID-19, and Madison County leaders say the pandemic has affected us in more ways than one. They say they've seen progress, but as Sydney Stallworth reports, that progress to keep going is up to us.
A few days ago, Madison County had the second highest number of cases in the state of Alabama behind Jefferson County. As of this morning, we're fourth in the state of Alabama now.
Officials say it's up to the community to help level off our COVID-19 numbers during these next crucial weeks. A national shortage of ventilator drugs has some healthcare facilities across the country concerned. But Dr. Pam Hudson says Madison County hospitals prepared by stopping elective surgeries weeks ago.
I'm optimistic that none of the hospitals are going to run short in the immediate future. And there's also a number of different substitute medications that the pharmacists and the anesthesiologists can use.
Hospitals are doing daily temperature checks to keep staff and patients safe, and we can all do our part to help. Officials tell us it doesn't take much to stay safe.
2 rubber bands, and once you do the folding, you just hook it around and you're masked. That's all you need. This protects the world from you.
Spreading of the virus by asymptomatic carriers is a big concern, but when will testing be available for people who aren't showing typical symptoms in Madison County?
I don't have any indication that there are more testing supplies and kits coming anytime soon.
Our local economy has taken a big hit because of COVID-19.
Definitely is going to take a hit on the rating day fund, but our best days are still ahead, there's no doubt.
And leaders say it all depends on how the community continues to respond.
Now is not the time to let our guard down and allow this virus to run rampant again.
Putting the Valley first, Sydney Stallworth, WZDX News.